Every evening, like clockwork, my dog, Max, would fixate on the dimly lit corner of my living room, barking at what seemed to be thin air. I dismissed it as quirks of a playful pup until one night, while scrolling through my phone, I caught a glimpse of something unsettling, a pair of glowing eyes reflecting back from the shadows. At first, I thought it was a trick of the light, but as I leaned closer, the eyes blinked, and a shiver ran down my spine. Determined to uncover the source, I flipped on the flashlight and moved cautiously toward the corner. The light revealed an old vent, partially covered by a dusty rug. Inside, I found remnants of small animals and a tunnel leading to darkness. Before I could process, a whisper filled the room, echoing my name in a chilling familiarity. Max whimpered, and I realized whatever lurked there had been watching us all along. Panicked, I backed away slowly.